there! I am going to show you how to make cinnamon buns, everyone's favorite. Let's get started. So first we are going to make the dough. Oh, I forgot, I have to get it from the microwave. I put the milk to warm up. Just give me 1 second. Got the warm milk out of microwave, and here are my ingredients for the dough. And remember, we are making the dough to let it rise for about 1.5 hours. Starting adding the yeast into the warm milk to activate the yeast, and just leave it for a little bit, about 10 minutes. Soft dough is ready. All we are going to do, just to close it and keep in a warm place for about 1 hour or 1.5 hours. While I'm waiting for the dough to rise, I'm going to make what we put inside for the cinnamon buns. All you need is 2 cups of light brown sugar, lightly packed, and we are just going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon to it and mix well. I think it's ready. It's kind of double the size. So what are we doing now? Just put a little bit flour here, and then it should come out easily. Oh God, it smells so good too. So what we are doing, we are just opening up into rectangular shape. I'm warning you, this is dangerously delicious. So I believe this is rectangular, isn't it? Yeah? Okay. So the next step is, the butter. We are going to just kind of spread the butter about 1/3 on here. The next step is to add our cinnamon and sugar. Now we are going just to roll this out, just like this. Then I'm going to cut it into 12 pieces. 11 pieces. 11 pieces. Now it's time to transfer this into the baking pan, which I like to use the what's the name of this paper? Parchment paper. Okay, so I don't have to butter it. So now we are going to leave this for another half an hour before we put it into the oven. Ready to go into the oven. Now it's time for icing. This is the best part. All we need is 1 cup cream cheese, 1/4 cup butter, and 1.5 cup icing sugar. We are just going to mix it together. It's ready. Can't wait to take it out of the oven. Oh my goodness, smells delicious. So it's ready. All we have left to do is put the icing on. Let's see if it's as tasty as it looks. Amazing. If you like this, make sure you subscribe and share for more amazing videos.